भैया टिकट ले लियो। क्या ऋषिकेश से आगे हैं, इधर रास्ते में लैंडस्लाइड हो गई है, इसलिए रुके हुए हैं। उसको लगी हुई है बेचारे को पैरों में, झगड़े करेगा तो ऐसे ही होगा। चलो चलो आजा। चलो basically the dogs are deciding to stay. So finally the dogs have abandoned me and I know I cannot do this trek anymore, so I'm going back. I'm just tired. I cannot because look at this. I have no idea how long I have to go. I'm literally too tired to continue. So I'm going back. It's really sad that this is happening, but you know, there's nothing I can do about it. I would have continued if I had water or something else with me, but frankly speaking, this is a bit risky. I wish the dogs had come with me. I don't know, the dogs. And now that I think so, the dogs were probably taking me to the hunting trail and not the trekking trail. So I'm a bit confused right now. But at least they gave me an experience of trekking, so that is nice. But oh fuck, I'll be heading back. I think it will probably take me an hour or more. I don't know, but fuck. Let's just hope I go down. I get down easily because I've just lost hope, that I so badly wanted to continue, but it was not ending at all, and I'm alone. You guys can probably see the view. Like, there's that mountain. We would have seen it through. Yeah, we would have gotten a good look at it, but it is what it is. So we have to continue this some of the time. Finally, and I'm gonna give these dogs some big treats.